When in love, a woman will do everything she can to keep the man she likes captivated. Unfortunately, these efforts are generally only physically related. In fact, if you want to make the man captivated and continue to be crazy about you, physical matters are not the main thing, but it's more about inner beauty. Making a man crazy about you may sometimes be difficult, because we need to know more about the man first, so that we get to know him better. If you have found a man you like, and you always want to be with him, you can start by making yourself more attractive to give a good impression to the dream man, to make him feel comfortable and crazy about you. Of course, there are some things that you need to pay attention to, and then do seriously. This is important for women out there to know so that men are crazy about you. Let's take a look. 1. Fun to interact with. You would rather interact with someone fun than someone who always looks glum, right? The same goes for men. Seeing you always looking cheerful can make the hearts of those around you happy too. And this is also what makes other people comfortable when they are around you. Not that you have to be good at pretending to be happy. However, women who are fun can see the positive side, do not complain easily, and are good at being grateful. Usually women like this will be preferred. You need to remember, men need to talk too. And often we miss men's cues to be heard because they are much more subtle. A man won't say, "Can you hear me?" or "Can I tell you all about my day?" But he really wants you to listen when he shares a story or asks your advice on something. He wants you to stop what you're doing, like putting down the phone or something else. He also wants his words to be heard, just like you. 2. Have an understanding attitude. Often what makes men feel uncomfortable in a relationship is the behavior of a partner who doesn't want to understand because they are used to putting their ego first. For example, you already know your partner's location is far away, but you still demand to be picked up. It would be more effective to use a taxi or something else. The understanding attitude of women is what men often look for in their partners. Relationships become less conflicted, because what usually triggers arguments is generally the lack of willingness to suppress personal ego. 3. A little mysterious. When giving attention and love to a man, don't take it all out, because a man will like mystery and have a high curiosity. If you want to build a good relationship, then give enough information about yourself. Let him make an effort to know more about you. Being a little mysterious will also make you look more graceful, because graceful is not just a word that means meek, polite, speak softly, smile, or all kinds of things that are in your mind. You also have to understand that a mysterious woman will be a special attraction for men, even will not only make men mesmerized but crazy about you. 4. Not easily seduced by seduction. Another tip to make you an attractive person and drive men crazy is to not be easily seduced by them. Don't be tempted by the advances of men who may try to take advantage of you or influence you negatively. By you not being easily swayed when men are being sweet, it makes you an elegant woman. This signals to men that it takes proof, not just words, to win your heart. This type of woman will be highly respected by men. Often, men fall in love not just about beauty or popularity, but how you can make a man feel comfortable next to you. Try practicing some of the things we've discussed with yourself, so that those who are not yet in a relationship can find the best man soon, and those who are already in a relationship can last with the man you have chosen. Give your feedback in the comments section. Help me grow this channel with like, share, and subscribe. Send this video to all your friends, and hopefully it can be useful for all of us. Thank you, and see you in the next video.